Hi friends, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show how to install Unimatrix membership MLM script. So in this video I'm going to show you how I can install the Unimatrix MLM script without the purchase code. Okay, so if anyone need this script, just contact me on my WhatsApp. All the contact details you can see on this video screen, and also check the description box. I give all the credential and the contact details in the description box, so just click the description box and check the contact credential. Okay, so let's start the video. In this video I'm going to show how I can install Unimatrix without the purchase code. Okay, so I'm going to install the Unimatrix MLM script on my localhost. So first I need to copy the file in my localhost folder. So I create a Unimatrix folder in my localhost and I paste the files, and now I'm going with localhost/unimatrix and click the enter button. It's showing installation and admin CP. So now we are going to install the Unimatrix MLM script. Okay, so first I need to create a new database. So I already done with all the requirements. So I already create some new database and copy the files in the Unimatrix folder. Now I'm click the let's start installation path, and it's showing with read the documentation. Just no need to worry about this message. Just click the clicker button and you can see the installation page. If anyone need the script, just contact me on WhatsApp, and I also have a original version and a latest version, but I remove the purchase code function in this script, so no need to worry about the purchase code. You can install the script without the purchase code, and you can see the version number is 1.9.0 and the official product latest version also 1.9.0. you can see in the changelog section. So you can see the official latest version is 1.9.0. 3rd June 2021 is released in this version. I have this version, and you can install this script without the purchase code. Most of the people searching for Unimatrix membership MLM script, so I have proper working script and I tested every function in this script. It's working 100%. If anyone need this script, just contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, so now I'm going to install this script. So click the next start installation button. If anyone need to installation guidelines, you can also follow the YouTube video for my channel, so you can easily install this script, follow this video. Okay, now I'm going to configure with the database. So I already create uni in my database PHP my admin section. So I enter the database name and username, and the password is 123. So now I configure with everything. DB hosting is always I'm using a live server or localhost, always using localhost for the host. So you can also use host as a localhost. Okay, in any script, not only Unimatrix, you can install any script with localhost host. Okay, so now I'm going with the next button. So once I click the next button, it's asking for purchase code, but you can see my channel name in the license key section. It's already pre-typed, so no need to worry what key you need to enter. So it's already pre-typed with the Darun modes. So just click the fill with the information about this site and configure with admin username and password. Okay, now I'm going to configure with my site name is Darun modes, and email ID as D3 and username is Darun. Now password is Darun123 and confirm password is Darun123. Now I click the agree with the terms and condition button, and you can see all the information is filled, and you can see the dark pattern in the license key box section, because you cannot edit this Darun mode text in the license key field. So it's pre-typed, so just fill with this information and click the next button. It's automatically install the database in the database section, and you can easily run with this script without the purchase code. You can see it's not showing any error, and it's showing completed with the step 4, and you can see the complete message in the installation page. And now I click the continue button. It's going with admin login, so you can easily use with your admin login details. So I typed with this script, so I enter the admin login credential and I click with the login button. It's going with the dashboard and it's working properly. You can check the version in the bottom of side. So you can see my name in the bottom footer section, and you can see the version in version 1.9.0, and I'm going with the settings section. Okay, now click the general settings, and you can see the all the information we fill with the script. So now we confirm with this database is really migrated or not. Okay, so now I'm going to click the uni database, and it's showing all the database is migrated properly. Okay, I'm going to show configuration. So you can see the configuration in this config.php file. So it's basically encrypted with base64 encryption format. So the developer use base64 for secure your database information, but the database name is always showing. You can see the database name is uni, but the db password is encrypted, and db username is also encrypted, because I used my db name is uni also, and password is 123, but you can see different text in the database password and the database username field. So because the developer use some encryption method, that encryption called base64. So because the developer need to secure your database, so that's why he used that kind of encryption method. Okay, now we talk about the script. So you can see all the function is working, and also I already tested all the function is working or not. So you can also just configure with your information and install any server and any domain. It's supporting unlimited domain and unlimited server. You can use same script as a more than 100 domain and 100 server. Okay, so if anyone need, just contact me on WhatsApp. I also give you contact details in the video description box, so check that. And if you need any live demo or live preview, you can also see in the video. So I'm not edit anything, so I install the direct script without the purchase code. You already know, and everyone know I can remove any kind of purchase code script. If anyone need that kind of service, just contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching this video.